In the valley have just been relentless, haven't they, with this heat? Take a look at the video from Air 15. This shows another call for help here after a bee attack at a Scottsdale home. You see there, kind of in the window, one child being treated inside, this near Pima Road and Pinnacle Peak. As many as 3 people were hurt, but they are expected to be okay. This comes after that attack in Peoria where the bees swarmed a woman in her car and they killed her dog, sadly, tragically there. We just got a hold of the 911 calls, and this is a passerby who tried to help out.
About how many are there, do you?
Well, on her body, she's got at least 50 to 100 bees on her. They just won't leave her alone. Someone threw a blanket for her, but they're still attacking her. And the gentleman that gave her the blanket, he got attacked also.
Every person who was attacked is expected to be okay. Again, that dog died. The bees attacked when landscapers accidentally disturbed a hive.